Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Euro Truck Simulator 2 on PS4. Unfortunately, Euro Truck Simulator 2 is not available on the PlayStation 4 console. This popular truck simulation game was developed exclusively for personal computers, including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux operating systems. Therefore, you cannot directly download or play it on your PlayStation 4. However, there are other excellent options for console players seeking a similar experience. The developers, SCS Software, chose to focus their efforts entirely on the personal computer platform. This decision allows for a more intricate simulation experience and supports a vast, active modding community, which is a huge part of the game's appeal. While this means no direct PlayStation 4 version, it also ensures a deeply rich and customizable experience for PC players. Don't worry, console players still have great options for trucking fun. If you have access to a personal computer, playing Euro Truck Simulator 2 is straightforward. You can purchase and download the game from digital platforms such as Steam. Make sure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for the best experience. While a keyboard and mouse work fine, many players enhance their immersion with a steering wheel and pedal setup. You can explore over 60 European cities and deliver various types of cargo. For PlayStation 4 owners looking for a trucking or vehicle simulation fix, there are excellent alternatives. Consider games like Snow Runner, which provides intense off-road trucking challenges and exploration. The Bus Simulator series offers a different, yet equally engaging, vehicle management experience. While not identical to Euro Truck Simulator 2, these titles deliver a satisfying sense of driving and cargo management directly on your console. Happy trucking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.